laundromat, and this has been the busiest day at the laundromat I have seen since summertime. Yeah, everybody and their mama was in here. People are trying to stake their claim to dryers and all kind of stuff. There's these 2 dryers I normally use, and there was like 2 baskets full of clothes just sitting right in front of them. I was like, you know what? I ain't got time for this. And then like 5 minutes later, after I was putting my stuff in other dryers, people came to their clothes and started putting stuff in there. No, we ain't doing that. We ain't doing that. You better put your stuff up in there. Have your money ready. Anyway, let me leave this place. Put in these the wrapping bag, gift bags. Yeah, that's what I'm putting presents in this year, gift bags, like I did last year. I don't know why, it's just so much easier to me. But I need to get, I know I got tape, but I'm thinking I might need some more tape. You know, you can never have too much wrapping tape. And I need to get some of the tissue paper. That's it. Yeah. Probably some other things. Go in there. I like to go early, like right when they open, before everybody and their mama's up in there. Yeah. Anyway. Okay, y'all. Yeah, I am back. Okay, now clean and moisturize. Talk about timing. Y'all, I have been home long enough to wash my hands, put some lotion on, and put some lip gloss on, and Amazon just dropped off the package. Let me go get it. That was perfect. Okay, now that that's done, I need to, what is it, about 10:10 in the morning, so I need to eat some and drink some coffee and finish his hair. So anyway, yeah, so I need to do that, and then I think I'm gonna go ahead. I got several products. Okay, look, so I have this product I need to use, Annabelle's Perfect Blend. I have this product to use, another product from Annabelle's Perfect Blend, and I have this to use. Shout out to Queen T because she suggested this. I wanted to see me use it. Okay, listen, I know. The shipment has arrived. Thank you. Even though I already got it. Anyway, so I don't have that much space. I need to move around some stuff on my computer and my phone and everything though, or I won't be producing anything or have a video up by today, which is normally what I would be working on. I'll be working on yesterday's vlog today, editing it, producing it, uploading it to YouTube, and having it available. And I've been trying to have it available by 3 p.m. Pacific time. Anywhere in between 3 and 6. Because I suppose one of my subscribers are online or on YouTube. Now, has everybody been watching? No, but some of you all have been, and I thank you for it. Anyway, so what to use? I know a lot of y'all want to see this, so maybe I will just deep condition with a different deep conditioner. Use this for this video, and then what I may do is split it off and use this. I don't know, but you guys know I have been using styling products by itself. Now, it's cool to see what it does, really does by itself, but it's not so cool on my hair. Because again, I'm really not properly moisturizing my hair if I'm only using one product every single time, unless the product is meant for that. This, I don't think is meant for that. I tried that before with, what was that other product? That one by Not Your Mother's. I did that without nothing. That was not cool to be really doing. And the Camille Rose product, that was okay. That did have a lot of hydration in it, thanks to the honey that's in it and everything. But I need to try to use it again with an actual leave-in and then the mousse after that. So I've been getting a lot of mousses and foams lately. Anyway, let me go get some nourishment into my body. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this because my son already knows He's getting a duvet. He don't know what color. And okay. It's not like this is. I mean, he gets Christmas gifts early just because it's something he needs. Really? This is what we doing. Okay. So yeah, this was only like, I don't even think it was $30. But since this is the color in his room, matter of fact, that little curtain right there looks like his headboard up there. That color. Ain't that something? Anyway.